In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backlog in ClickUp. This is a fantastic way to streamline your project management and ensure everything is organized and ready for action. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to locate the folder where you plan to create your backlog. This part is crucial because it sets the stage for where your backlog list will live within your ClickUp workspace. Once you've found the right folder, look for the three dots next to the folder settings. Give them a click, and this will present you with a few different options. Next, navigate to the Templates section. Click on it, and you'll see the option to browse templates. This is where you'll find a variety of preset templates. These templates can save you time and offer a great starting point for various tasks. So go ahead and select the Browse Templates option. Now look up to the top of your screen where the search bar is located. This bar is very handy for quickly filtering through the many options available. Type Backlog into the search bar, and the backlog template should appear. This template is specifically designed to help you keep track of tasks that are pending or in progress. Once you've found the backlog template, click on it and then press on the button that says Use Template. This will initiate the process of integrating this pre-structured file into your selected folder. At this stage, you'll have the opportunity to give your backlog a unique name. Naming it something relevant and intuitive can make it easier to identify and refer back to in the future. After naming your backlog, it's time to select the folder where you'd like this new list to be created. Be sure that the chosen location makes sense within your overall organization system in ClickUp. Now, you'll see some import options. These settings allow you to tailor the process further by specifying a start and finish date for your tasks. This feature is beneficial if you want to set timeframes straight away to keep everything on track. You can completely customize these dates, or if they're not immediately necessary for your setup, you can leave them as they are and adjust them later. Lastly, consider how you'd like to handle task archiving. ClickUp offers several options for archiving, which helps keep your workspace tidy by moving completed or redundant tasks out of sight. Make your choice from the archive options available, and then hit Use Template. And just like that, you've successfully created your backlog. This approach really simplifies managing ongoing work by offering a clear, concise method for tracking tasks. That wraps up today's tutorial on creating a backlog in ClickUp. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.